Namaste. Let's start the solution of the given question from right hand side. First of all, comparing the numerator of right hand side with the formula a cube minus b cube. We can write that as a minus b in one bracket and a square plus ab plus b square in the next bracket. So let's do the same. We write sin theta minus cos theta in the first bracket in place of a minus b, and in place of a square plus ab plus b square in the formula, we can write sin square theta plus sin theta into cos theta plus cos square theta. That's in the second bracket when we compare with the formula. Whole divide by, from above we can write sin theta minus cos theta. That's copied same. And if we keep the denominator in the bracket, we see one of the factor in the numerator and denominator is same. So cancelling them, there remains only sin square theta, and keeping this cos square theta near to sin square theta, let's write this plus the remaining term sin theta into cos theta. Now, as we know, one of the fundamental formula from trigonometry, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta, can be written as 1. So doing the same, we get 1 plus, and the remaining is sin theta into cos theta, which is same as left hand side of the given question. So here we prove left hand side and right hand side equal. Thank you very much for watching the video. See you in the next video. Take care.